all. In this video we are going to make our second robot, which is going to be line following robots. So first let us show you that how it looks, then afterwards we will start its making. Let's open our kit and just remove all the components, the screwdriver, the jumper cable, the cutter, the nut and bolt. Let's keep it aside. And now we are going to take our last robot, which was human following robot. Okay, so just we have to remove the two IR sensor and just we have to take two components, which is going to be IR sensor mount. So we are not going to do any changes in the wiring or the connection. Only just we are going to remove and will bend the two IR sensor LEDs both here, and I am going to just assemble the two IR sensors, and I am going to take the two IR mounts. So after deassembling, as you can see, it looks like this. Now I am going to take the IR mounts, okay, as it is going to be a line following robot. It needs only two IR mounts, and I am going to attach it on the same hole where I have attached the IR mounts like this. So now as you can see, it looks like this, and just I am going to again reconnect the two wires of the IR sensor as same. Don't do any changes in the connection. So now let's move to our coding part. Yeah, so as I have shared a link in the last video, it was https mysparkle/robotics FAQ. Just go in that and download it. Okay, anyways, first we are going to go in file manager and just open our code, which is going to be Sparklebox code 3, because I have a lot more code I made so this is going to be Sparklebox code 3. So now we are going to go in Sparklebox code 3 and just click on line following robot. After clicking on, we have to just click and it will automatically open in the Arduino IDE software application. So after opening it, just connect the robot and just check the board Arduino Uno, it is same or not. Then click on Arduino Uno and then you have to select the COM code, which is going to be COM code Uno. Okay. After checking out this all, just click on verify, and if it is okay,